Hello students, hope you are all doing well. I'm Dr. Vikas. Welcome to Vikas Biologist, where you will learn about various biology topics. Today's video is very special and I made it on request of several students. Especially this is important for BSc Life Sciences students who are planning to make a career in field of biotechnology. In this video, I'm going to talk about GATB, Graduate Aptitude Test for Biotechnology, a very important examination for students who are willing to make a career in biotechnology. So watch this video until the end and make sure to subscribe and like the channel. Let us begin. What is GATB? So this is the question which most of the students are asking. So those who know about the history of GATB, they should also be knowing that there is an exam which was called as JNU SEED, Jawaharlal Nehru University Combined Entrance Examination for Biotechnology. So this was existing up to 2019, conducted by JNU for the students who are planning to make a career in biotechnology field. This JNU SEED is replaced by GATB exam. So this GATB has come into existence in 2020 and it was named as the Graduate Aptitude Test in Biotechnology. In the year 2020, Department of Biotechnology, Government of India has entrusted the responsibility of conducting this Graduate Aptitude Test to Regional Center for Biotechnology, Faridabad. In the year 2021, that is, we are talking about the current situation, NTA National Testing Agency has been entrusted to conduct the Graduate Aptitude Test for Biotechnology. This GATB is an all India entrance examination to test the eligibility of bona fide Indian nationals for admission to the DBT supported postgraduate programs in the biotechnology and allied areas. So there are some participating institutes or universities which are coming together and participating in this GATB entrance exam. The question again arises, who can appear for GATB 2021? The answer to this is whoever is willing to pursue a postgraduate program, that is MSc or MTech, in the participating universities under GATB, like MSc in biotechnology and allied areas, MTech in biotechnology, MSc in agricultural biotechnology, Master of Veterinary Sciences in Animal Biotechnology. So there are a number of courses under offering in the GATB entrance examination. Is the notification released? This is the question again by some of the students. Yes, the notification is released on 7th of July 2021. The online registration and submission of the application form is through the National Testing Agency website, which is from the 7th of July 2021 to 31st July 2021. And successful transaction of the examination fees can be done up to 31st July midnight. Okay, so keep this deadline into consideration and apply as early as possible. Is there any examination fees for GATB? Yes, of course. Examination fees is applicable. According to the information bulletin provided by National Testing Agency, candidates who are appearing for GATB 2021 has to pay a fees through net banking, through debit card, credit card, UPI or wallet. So as you can see here, for the general OBC and the EWS candidates, the fees is 1200. For the SC, ST and PWD, the fees is 600 rupees. When is the GATB 2021 exam? The date is also announced by NTA and the date is 14th of August 2021. That happens to be Saturday. Duration and time of GAT-B 2021 exam. As already mentioned, the exam date is on 14th August 2021. The timing of the examination will be morning 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., which is of 180 minutes. That is for 3 hours. The entire examination is computer-based examination. So everything is online. Students have to log in at their respective centers, and then they have to attempt the question for 180 minutes. Some students are worried, where can we appear for the GAT-B 2021 exam? The answer for this is GAT-B 2021 will be conducted in almost all the states across the India. As mentioned in the information bulletin, there are 59 cities across India where this particular exam will be conducted. And students can choose their city and attempt the computer-based test. This is purely an online-based test. How many institutions are participating in GAT-B 2021 exam? The answer for this is, as mentioned in the information bulletin, 63 DBT supported postgraduate programs in biotechnology and allied areas are being offered. And then how many seats are available under GAT-B 2021 exam? A total of 1217 seats, which includes the MSc, MVSc, MTech, all the courses. So all the courses are included. So you have a 1217 seats in offering by the participating institutions under GAT-B 2021. Once you qualify for this GAT-B 2021 entrance exam, then you are eligible to apply for this 1217 seats across the India. What is the validity of the GAT-B 2021 score and how is the admission procedure? The validity of GAT-B 2021 score is only for this academic year, starting from 2021 to 2022 only. Once the examination is conducted, score is given to the candidates, and these candidates, those who are qualified for GAT-B 2021, so they can apply separately for the participating institutions or universities as per their institutional admission and selection norms. So all you have to do is go ahead, apply for the exam and wait for the score, and then apply for various universities once you get a proper score. What is the eligibility for GAT-B 2021 exam? For this, you can say that only the bona fide Indian nationals are eligible to apply for GAT-B 2021. And the minimum eligibility criteria of participating institutions and universities need to be followed. So every institution has given its own eligibility criteria for the students, and students are requested to verify the eligibility criteria on the website of the participating institutions or universities. But if you look into the information bulletin, it is provided that for most of the courses of MSc, you should be having BSc Biotechnology, Genetics, Microbiology, Biochemistry with Chemistry and Zoology as optional subjects. Even life sciences students, physical sciences students, chemical sciences students, statistics, mathematics, computers, and BVSc students are also eligible. This is for most of the institutions. In general, I am just presenting to you, right? And for MTech courses, one can be MSc in biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, or they can be having BTech, BE degree, or from pharmaceutical technology, food technology, bioinformatics, chemical engineering, bioengineering. So these are all the different courses students can be eligible to apply for the GAT-B entrance exam. Even the B Pharma students, some institutions are offering for B Pharma, MBBS and BDS candidates also. So the students have to verify their eligibility criteria by visiting to the respective institutions which are coming under the GAT-B entrance exam. Are the final year students eligible for GAT-B 2021 exam? Those who are appearing in the final semester exam of BSc. This is a very big question for some of the students. Yes, the answer is yes. Candidates who are either appeared or who are due to appear in the final examination of their qualifying degree are eligible to apply for GAT-B 2021, but under the result awaited category. So for this, students have to submit the undertaking or attestation from the authority that they are appearing for the qualifying degree, and accordingly they will be provided eligibility to appear for the GAT-B 2021 examination. But on the seat confirmation, they need to submit their documents so that the seats can be allotted to them. Syllabus and exam pattern for GAT-B 2021 exam. There is a huge syllabus and there is an exam pattern definitely. So for the syllabus of GAT-B 2021 exam and pattern of GAT-B 2021 exam, look forward for my coming video. All the best for your GAT-B 2021 entrance exam preparation. Students, if you have liked this video, do mention it, share it, subscribe it, and leave a comment. Again, all the best. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks one and all.